Hello tech lovers, welcome back to Tech Vibe, where we bring you the gadgets that blur the line between future and reality. Imagine walking down the street and your glasses quietly translate a signboard, record a quick video, or pop up a discreet notification without you ever reaching for your phone. That's the promise behind the 2025 Xiaomi Smart Glasses, and today we're diving into everything they offer, what works, what doesn't, and whether these are the smart wearables you'll actually want to use. Stick with me, because there are a few surprises you won't want to miss. Xiaomi has officially stepped into the smart glasses space with its AI glasses, and the specs already look impressive. They come with a 12-megapixel front camera that can shoot 2K video at 30 frames per second, open-ear audio through built-in speakers, and a lightweight frame that weighs only about 40 grams. The build uses a combination of nylon and titanium alloy, striking a balance between durability and comfort. Some models even include electrochromic lenses, letting you switch from clear to shaded at a tap, which feels like stepping into the future. Design is where Xiaomi scores high. These don't scream tech gadget from a distance, they genuinely resemble regular eyewear. The low weight means you can wear them for hours without strain, and the temples that house the electronics don't flare out too wide. The hinges feel sturdy, and Xiaomi offers multiple frame styles and colors, including translucent versions for a modern aesthetic. The electrochromic models add another layer of flair, instantly switching lens brightness, though of course that comes at a slightly higher price. Instead of aiming for full sci-fi holographic projections, Xiaomi kept things practical with subtle microprojection. You won't get a full augmented reality overlay, but you do see minimal cues like notifications, small icons, or prompts in your peripheral vision. It's designed to enhance your day without overwhelming your sight or draining the battery in minutes. Performance relies on a Qualcomm AR1 chip optimized for low-power, always-on tasks. Everyday actions like translations, object recognition, voice commands, and camera use are snappy and responsive. For heavier tasks like extended video recording or AI scene processing, the glasses lean on your smartphone or cloud connection, keeping heat and battery drain under control. The software side is where Xiaomi flexes its ecosystem. Voice assistant Xiao AI is integrated, touch gestures on the temple give quick control, and features like real-time translation, QR code scanning, live streaming, and object recognition feel smooth. You can even use them to control smart home devices or handle payments. The electrochromic versions let you adjust lens tint levels with a quick swipe. Occasionally, translation or recognition lags in tricky lighting, but overall the software feels polished for a first-gen product. Battery life is one of the biggest concerns, and Xiaomi claims around 8.5 hours of light usage. In reality, with video capture and translation running, you'll probably see 4 to 6 hours. Recharging is fast, though full charge in about 45 minutes through USB-C, which makes them easier to top up during the day. For creators, the built-in 12MP camera records decent 2K footage with stabilization. It won't replace a professional setup, but for first-person vlogging, spontaneous capture, or documenting daily life, it's very convenient. The field of view is modest, but it captures enough for casual content. In terms of AI, the glasses can identify objects, read text, and give cues on the go. It's not deep AR scene mapping, but it's practical and usable. Audio comes through open-ear speakers so you can hear both your environment and your media. A 5-microphone system handles voice input and background noise suppression fairly well. Calls are clear, though in very noisy environments you'll notice limits. For music, the sound is fine for casual listening, but don't expect deep bass or audiophile quality. Connectivity is covered with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi support, ensuring smooth pairing with your phone. Gestures and touch controls make interactions natural, and the glasses sync seamlessly with Xiaomi's apps and ecosystem. If you already own Xiaomi smart devices, you'll find the integration handy. The one limitation is that heavy tasks often rely on your phone, so they aren't fully independent devices yet. Price is another area worth talking about. The standard model comes in at roughly 1,999 yuan, which is around $275, while the electrochromic models go up to about 2,999 yuan. Compared to other smart glasses on the market, that's competitive, especially considering the features you're getting. For some, these will feel like a novelty, but for early adopters and those who already live in Xiaomi's ecosystem, they're a strong value proposition. So let's break down the strengths and weaknesses. The positives include a stylish, lightweight design, genuinely useful AI features, decent camera capture, integration with the Xiaomi ecosystem, and a competitive price point. On the flip side, you're not getting full AR overlays, battery life dips under heavy use, the audio is more functional than premium, and some features rely heavily on offloading tasks to your phone or the cloud. Plus, availability and support outside Xiaomi's core markets might be limited. In the end, the 2025 Xiaomi smart glasses represent a bold but practical step into wearable AI. They don't try to overwhelm you with sci-fi gimmicks. Instead, they focus on making everyday tasks easier and more intuitive. For translations, capturing life hands-free, or subtle notifications, they're a game changer. If you're expecting full AR immersion, you might want to wait a few more years, but for now, Xiaomi has struck a good balance between ambition and practicality. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe, where we bring you the latest reviews of the tech shaping tomorrow. Stick around, because we've got more exciting deep dives coming your way. See you in the next one.